This video is based on solving quadratic equations. Okay, so there's 6 different examples, 6 different types, generally at junior cert higher level standard. Okay, so what we have to do is solve the first one. So we need to find the factors of 3x squared, so it's going to be 3x and x, and then we need to find the factors on the other side. There's lots of different factors, but you'll see the ones that work are 4 and 3. So 3x by 3 is 9x, and then you can see that 4 times x is 4x, and then to get plus 5x out of that we have to plus the 9 and minus the 4. So that means it's going to be minus here and plus here. So most of you just solve as normal. So it's 3x minus 4 and x plus 3. So then we have to solve that equal to 0, so we have to put each part individually equal to 0. So we have to put 3x minus 4 equal to 0, and you'll see that x is equal to 4 over 3. And the other one, x plus 3 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 3. So there are my two answers. Then it says hence solve, the next part. You'll see that the only difference between that one and the next part is that they have changed x to y minus 1. So we have our two values for x, so now I can actually just put y minus 1 equal to 4 over 3, and then I can put y minus 1 equal to minus 3, and then from that I can find my two values for y. So here I need to plus 1 on both sides, so y is equal to 7 over 3, and then for the second one you can see that it's y is equal to minus 2, so you're just trying to get y in its own. On to the second example here, we have to solve, so you're trying to get y on its own. So you can see it tells us here that y cannot be equal to minus 2 and y cannot be equal to minus 3. The reason for that is because if we put minus 2 here, it would be 8 over minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 8 divided by 0 is undefined. And the same example for this one here, minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 2 divided by 0 is undefined, so there cannot be two possible answers to this question. Okay, so then we need to, first of all, to start it off, we need to make sure we get rid of this y plus 2. In order to do that, we need to multiply by y plus 2. If I do that in the first term, I need to multiply this by y plus 2, and then finally this one by y plus 2 as well. Y plus 2 divided by y plus 2 is 1, so they cancel each other out, and then you need to repeat the process again. So you need to multiply this one by y plus 3, this one by y plus 3, and finally this one here on the left hand side by y plus 3 as well. Then, like we said for the previous one, y plus 3 divided by y plus 3 is 1, and then for the last one we need to multiply by 5, and we need to multiply this one by 5, and finally we need to multiply this one here by 5. Okay, so then 5 divided by 5 is 1, and then we write out the next line. To make this line a bit easier, we can actually multiply these two numbers by each other and then multiply our answer by the brackets. So 5 by 8 is 40, and then we're going to multiply our answer by y plus 3. Then it's going to be minus 2 times 5 is 10, and multiply our answer by y plus 2. And then for the last one, we can multiply 8 by one of them, so it's going to be 8y plus 16, and then multiply my answer by y plus 3. And then I just have a lot of multiplying to do. So it's going to be 40 times y is 40y, 40 times 3 is plus 120, minus 10y minus 20 is equal to, and then I need to multiply these two sets of brackets by each other. It's up to you, you can split it up if you like, 8y by y plus 3, and then plus 16 by y plus 3, or you can just multiply it out quickly yourself. Okay, so it can be 8y squared plus 24y plus 16y, and then plus 48. So then we need to simplify the full thing. We need to get we'll simplify it first and then take everything to the same side. So add and subtract our like terms. We've got 30y plus 100, and that is equal to 8y squared plus 40y plus 48, and then we take everything to the same side. I think most people took everything to the left, so it's 8y squared minus 10y plus 52 is equal to 0. Now it's completely up to you which method you like to do from here on in. Some people can see the factors straight away, some people find it a bit difficult. If you want, feel free to use the minus b formula. Okay, so your a here is equal to minus 8, your b is equal to minus 10, and your c is equal to 52. So then what we have to do, fill the values into the minus b formula, which we will write down. So we've filled our formula in, and then we put that into the calculator and we'll get our two values for y. So y is equal to one value and then y is equal to the other. So then just put it into the calculator. So you can see from your calculator one answer is minus 13 over 4 and the other answer is y is equal to 2. If you want, you can, and you prefer, you can write this one as a decimal. You can be minus 3.25. Okay, so there are your two answers for y.